Never did I think I'd be able to make over 120 grand in my first year of starting a new business and actually not want to pull my hair out while doing it or at the end of the first year. But literally that's the case with the solar panel cleaning. I really like it. I have a small paint business too, a residential commercial painting business, and I've been doing that for about 10 years now, but I cannot say that there hasn't been times when I've wanted to pull my hair out, but not with solar panel cleaning. So far, this business has been it was a minimal investment up front, and it's allowed me to make some great money. So I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about my experience, but first, check out the top link in the comment section and the description below, and that'll take you to the Solar Panel Cleaning Academy. You guys will learn my proven ad strategy that I use with Facebook and other social media, how to properly clean, so licensing, insurance. Also, I'll include my pricing structure, my upsell techniques. I mean, this thing has some girth. And right now, I'm offering $100 off for the first 100 customers when you use the promo code SOLAR1. Check out the top links in the description and the pinned comment below, and let's get back into the video. I started a lot of businesses in my lifetime, or side hustles, whatever you want to call it. And one of my earliest memories was trading in baby teeth for profit. And then I quickly moved up to pulling weeds, mowing lawns, and schlepping chewing gum on the playground. But by far, I gotta say that my new favorite side business is cleaning solar panels. This business has such a high demand that I'm almost able to name my prices. I was able to make my first 5 to 10K in the first month with the most basic tools and the lowest investment that I've made ever starting any other business in the past. And we started with about $1,000, got licensed, insured, got equipment. Then we deployed our marketing approach and we got so busy that we were able to name our prices, which were a premium. Let me tell you, they were higher than most of the guys in the area. Now we regularly clear $1,000 days and only being in the field for 5 or 6 hours, just 2 guys. So that's each. And it's big money with basic tools. We started out door knocking a couple years ago to get the first few paying jobs. Then we used traditional marketing like yard signs. Flyers, which all worked very well. But the paid ads, that's what brought us an insane level of leads, which allowed us to find our perfect pricing. And that helped us get out of the bad neighborhoods and allowed us to work with people who really understand the value and what we're bringing. And also we're very happy to pay the premium. So because it gives them peace of mind, We've since built up about 32 or 33 reoccurring biannual residential customers and an account with a nursery that grows almond trees, and they got about a couple thousand panels. So this side business, it now runs in the background and generates a great source of income for my family. It's actually allowed us to buy a home last May. We've remodeled that house, flooring, a new bathroom, etc. And also we're able to pay off 2 car notes and buy another car for my oldest daughter. So I will say it's not for everyone, but it is a new growing industry and I feel lucky to be a part of it early on. And now is really a good time to get started, especially now in summertime, because people, use a lot of electricity during the summertime with the AC and whatnot. And not to mention in California where I live, it's a fairly dry climate, and I live in a valley, so we get everything lands on us. And we get wildfires, so a lot of times that's what gave me the idea when I first started out. We had recent real bad wildfires and the ash was laying on all the solar panels, and so anytime there's any obstructions on those glass, you can only imagine that you're going to be generating less energy than you would if they were clean. And honestly, some people like to hire us just because they like them looking clean, because in most cases the solar panels are on the front of the house so you can see them from the street. And nobody wants dirty solar panels looking gross, kind of like a car wash, right? Similar to that. So anyways, it was a real quick video I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And again, if you guys are thinking about starting this hustle, which I highly recommend it, it's a great way to make some side money, or even if you want to make it your primary business, I think you can do that as well. Check out that top link in the description or the pinned comment. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.